Hello everyone. Welcome back to another video. Um, Time to code a little bit more. So in the last episode, I finished the lecture kind of. Well, not really. Well, yeah, the lecture kind of works. But so that was great. But you know, that's not like that's not like the actual meat of the of this programming, not language. I guess compiler. I should probably think about how this will work. So this compiler will, like I guess it compiles to machine code. Well, not machine code, but like, yeah, sort of bytecode that a virtual machine will use or something. Actually, not. Um, yeah, or maybe, yeah. I'll think about that later. I'll just make the parser now. Here you go. Um, okay, so the parser. Just let me just copy the thing at the top. Right, let's do this. So the parser, obviously, okay, we're gonna need data classes and enums as well. Regular expressions, I don't know if we're gonna need that. Okay, I'm gonna import the util thing. Um, so class, lexer, I guess. Well, not lexer now, it's parser. Plutil.machine. Yeah, something like this. Just copy this, copy that. Okay, not text anymore, it's tokens. Because that's what the parser will get. The tokens outputted by the lexer, I guess, and then it'll, yeah, uh, and it'll output like a tree of expressions. Yeah, let's do tree. So define run self. So it outputs a tree or something, a node or some. Yeah. I should probably define what a node is. So a node has args, I guess, like children, so child nodes. Yep. And then its type is node type. Class, right, there's going to be an enum again, but instead of token type, it's going to be a node type. Alright, so let's just do none, and then file. Oh yeah, I forgot. I should probably put EOF at the end here. Um, while true. Yeah, and then at the bottom. Wait, what? Okay, yeah. Enum. Wait, so how does this function end? Return self.tokens. Uh, shouldn't I break this? Right. And then, yeah, and this will just return self.tokens. Um, yeah, and then I'll put self dot. Oh wait, no. Well, yeah. Wait, what? If it's 0, right, and then I'll add the end of file token, I guess. Self dot Oh, sorry, I didn't know my mic was muted. Okay. Um, bruh. Whatever. So, um, I mean, I guess this works. So if I look at here, okay, there's string literal, there's comma. Well, that's just a function call. Oh, okay, that must be an expression type. Function call. How about I don't do this? How about I just do I equals 3, C equals C. Yeah. There you go. Yeah, declaration and then function declaration and variable declaration. Statement and then let's do expression. And then function call, yeah, is an expression type. Uh, is equal, okay, let's do, what's it called? Boolean? Um, Boolean equal, yeah, let's do that. Oh yeah, return must be a keyword as well. Okay, let me check. Let me turn that into a keyword. Return. Whoops. Whoops. Okay. Okay, return statement. Statement type. Okay, brace. I guess. Yeah, brace. Which contains other statements. Yeah. Okay, I think that could make sense of all this. Yeah. Um, okay, now let's actually go through these. So I guess how do we do this? Because now we're gonna do like never mind. Okay, so this will run okay, this will run I guess recursively. Um yeah. So that might be a limitation. Although you know what, never mind. That's alright. So return self dot um parse file. Uh the parse node. So self start tokens. Cause it's gonna start with file. It's file, okay. And then yeah, like that. And then do okay, parse node file. Wait, so type, node type, then subtype is okay, declaration type or statement type or expression type or literal type. Children nodes. Okay. Okay, or none. Okay, I guess this will return node. Okay, node equals something. Return node. Okay, this will be node file, I guess. Well, the type will be, okay, node type file. Subtype is none. Its children are, okay, now this is what I need to take care of. Okay, this is what I need to think about. Um, Now for the top part, I just need to go through I just need to go through some function declarations, maybe variable declarations as well. Something like this. Something like that. Yeah. Okay. So I just need to do, okay, let me make a seek thing. Seek token. Seek uh token. Okay, I need to import Lexer. Okay, Lexer dot token. Okay, pop. Okay, if self.I is not equal to, if self.I is equal, okay, if length of self.I is equal to, uh, not self, oh my god. If it's greater than or equal to length of self.tokens, I guess? Or, yeah, the tokens one has right now. I don't know. Well, I don't want to pop the token, so I'll just do that. If it's greater than or equal to the length, well, I'm gonna raise an exception, I guess. Right, if self, okay, if get token, get current token, I guess. Let's do that. Else, okay, return self.tokens I, self.I. If, okay, so as for the pop function, okay, if self.current token is equal to EOF, well, actually, I'll just do that. I'll just return this. Okay, seek. If self.I is greater than or equal to length of self.tokens, -1, return none. Else, okay, well, no need for an else statement. Okay, return self.tokens self I plus 1. Alright, so parse node file. What do I do? So what does a file have? Well, a file has variable definitions and function declarations. Okay. How do I account for that? Um, my first guess, I suppose, would be, I guess, okay, while self dot current token is not, okay, dot type is not equal to lecture dot token type dot eof. I'll try to do, okay, if parse node declaration is, if it is none, then we'll raise an exception because the file just just has declarations, right? Raise exception or raise parse error. I mean, because now I'm just doing recursion, right? Yeah. How do I do this? How do I do this? So value, I guess? Get value. Yep. Okay. So I just need to get value. Yeah, okay. Great. So if keyword args dot get keyword end, if it is equal to none, then keyword args end is equal to nothing, right? And then, yeah. Alright, and then basically do okay, self dot error class keyword args dot, wait, no, just iostring dot get value. There you go. Um, oh yeah, okay, parse error. Hmm, hmm, okay. Well, how do I do this? Okay, raise parse error. So instead of raising an error, I could just do self dot token type. No, what? Self dot. Oh yeah, raise error. There you go. And then okay, so when it does pop, what I could do is I could just set the line and the character, I guess, column. tk.line, c, tk.c, return tk. I think that works. Maybe. Okay. So if parse no declaration, okay. Children, there. If parse no declaration is equal to none, raise parse error, uh, expected a function, okay, expected a declaration. Excellent. Do self.raise error, expected a declaration. Okay, and then once that's done, I can just do children. Children. Also, there should be a list of nodes. Or a tuple of nodes. Well, actually, I'll just put a list of nodes. Why not? Okay. So now it expects a declaration. So parse node declaration. Okay. So let's do, uh, let's say, okay. Um, okay, so I need to make sure that this thing ignores, uh, comments. So first I'll do tokens dot, and make sure that, okay, yeah. Self dot tokens dot remove, I guess. For tk in tokens, dot tokens, self dot tokens dot remove tk. Wait, no, it should remove, let me check. Remove the first occurrence of value. Remove tk. Okay. If tk dot type is equal to lexer dot token type dot so if it's a comment, a space or comment, well, I guess I just shouldn't add it there. Yeah. if, okay, type is token type dot space. Well, if it's in token type space or token type comment, then just don't add it. Yeah, just don't put it there. Yeah. Just don't add it in the list of tokens in the first place. Anyway, so parse node declaration. So if, okay, let me pop a node. So pop a token self.pop if tk dot dot type, I guess, is equal to alexa.token type dot var. Okay, you know what? From Alexa import token type. Well, let me just replace Alexa dot with nothing. There you go. tk type is equal to token type dot var. Not var, sorry. Oh yeah. Yeah. Then so we're gonna declare a variable self dot get the next token. Well, identifier. If ident dot type is not identifier, token type dot ident. Then I'm gonna self dot raise error expected a variable expected an identifier, and then if not, then okay, let's continue. Yeah. Children, let's do data. Content, let's do data. Can be any. And then let's do identifier dot content, I guess. Yeah. Let's do return node type. Return node type, and then the node type is a, well, return node, the type of the node is a declaration, and then the subtype is declaration type dot var. Content, and then node children. Something like that. Expected an identifier. Okay, I think that makes sense. Let me just change the quotation marks. Yeah. LFTK type equals token. Okay, let me just put everything under a comment. Or put these things under a comment. And then let's just do like the base, like bare bones function declaration, I guess. Okay. LFTK dot type is equal to token type dot function call. Actually, I should probably make an error function, error handling function. That's, well, not handling, but okay. Raise error expected. What? I guess the token type. Got it. Well, I'll put none. Okay. Do self.raise error, and then do an f string. Expected wrapper token type dot, oh yeah, token type dot value. Okay. And then do like plus, well, got, if got, else, if it's not none, else, well, got, else, nothing. Something like that, and then do this. Raise error expected, token type, raise error expected, what, which is going to be a string. Got is a string. Well, should it be none? Yeah. Well, should it be a string as well? I have no idea. Like, what am I supposed to do? Okay, expected what? And then I could just do self.raise error. No, yeah, raise error expected. And then what is the token type dot value? And got is got. Okay, so raise error expected. Then declaration expected. An identifier, I guess. So token type dot identifier. Okay, function call. Wait, what? No, if it's an identifier, then do let's add an expected here. So expected would be a list, I guess. Let's do expected. Yeah, let's fix this. Alright, okay. If tk dot type is not equal to expected dot, oh yeah, token type, I guess. If expected, the length of just is greater than 0. Yeah. Then if token type is not in expected token types, then self.raise error expected token type basically Uh, so I got like this token, I guess. And then, yeah, a list. Yeah, whatever, that's close enough. That's good enough. Alright, and then pop. Okay, seek personal declaration. Yeah, and then I can do like token type dot identifier. And then, okay, and then do L parent be self dot pop token type dot L bracket, I guess. L parent. And then the next one is either, okay, arg1 would be self dot pop token type dot L parent, R parent, or token type dot identifier. Um, yeah, I don't know what I'm doing here, but okay. Wait, where was I? Here. arg1. So R parent, well, okay. If arg1 dot type is equal to token type dot R parent, do, okay, R parent, and if, oh, okay. If it's the right parenthesis, then to R parent, uh, so if R parent, okay, so if it is a right parenthesis, then R parent is equal to arg1. Else, well, we're gonna try to continue this. So for, I guess, while, okay, so if next, okay, let's do next token. Next token is equal to none. Well, next token got, well, I guess let's do less while true. And then do next token equals self dot pop either token type dot R parentheses or token type dot identifier. If R parent, if next tk dot type is equal to token type right parenthesis, yeah, we're basically just gonna break out of this. Else, next tk, well, elif, next t, well, yeah, else I guess, it has to be an identifier, then we do next tk2 is equal to, well, I should probably do like a list of arguments. So let's do else. Well, then that means arg1 is arg1. So args dot appends args dot content. Then args. I don't know what I'm doing. xtk is equal to self dot pop. Token type dot. Nope. Our parent or a token type dot comma if next tk dot type is equal to token type dot right parenthesis break. All right. So if it is an identifier, then let's do args dot append next token dot content, I guess. And then now I'm gonna do return node at the bottom here. Node type is a declaration node. Its declaration type is function. Okay, make sure that this ends in a semicolon. I think I should just do like if not, okay. Declaration type, turn none, else, well, no, return node, oh my gosh, node type, not declaration type, content, and children, well, yeah, data, children. Args, okay. Self.pop, token type dot, semi. Alright, let's see what happens. Okay, he is, okay, parser, he is parser dot parse, I guess, okay, parser tokens is equal to, okay, tree is equal to parser dot run. So raise error express, okay, run, parse node file, children, it's not EOF. Oh wait, yeah. Nope, sorry. Uh, oh yeah. Okay. Alright, let's do this. If child is none, okay. And then let's do children dot put append child. Oh no. This node. Oh, this. So I can't refer it to itself? Weird. Let's just do list or none. Different type and token. Wait, what? How does parser not have the attribute run? Oh, module P. Oh no. Rough to a bad start. I forgot self dot at the top here. Oh no, actually not in the top. It's in the run function or run method. Personal declaration. Okay, this should be self. Self dot. Parse node file. Expected. Oh, expected TT. But 3 were given. Wait, what? Oh. Just forgot self. Get underscore value. Oh, someone. Oh, not someone, but it wanted to do an error? Oh, wow. Where is it? Get underscore value. Where? Oh, it's in here. Okay. Get underscore value. Well, it's get value. Line 11, character 1. Expected var W. Bruh. Wait, why does it include that? Wait, I think the content should match group 1. Yeah. So why is it that? Anyways, expected this one var got an identifier. Wait. Let me fix this. Line 11, character 1. Looks like it's value. Oh no. Okay. Identifier. Oh well. Should probably improve this by expected token type. Oh, because I don't have like its Hmm. I should just do, okay, for content. Wait, so if I have an enum, right? From enum, import enum. What? E dot A dot name. Alright. Okay, I should probably do that. Um, okay, great. Except this is not what I'm trying to find. Okay, so I'm trying to, like, when it prints it out, it should give the actual name of the token and not like the regex string. Um, dot, well, it should be dot name. So it says it's got an identifier. But that means I should probably print out the tokens. Bro, what? Oh my gosh. What? Okay. This one. I don't, well, I guess. Oh, because I got it reversed. So, well, what I expected was expected token types, and then, yeah, token type. Supposed to be a list. Token types. Uh, e dot name, tt dot name for tt and expected token types. Great. Even more errors. Okay, expected TD. What's. Oh, this one. Expected identifier. Got. The. So it expected an identifier. Oh, because I didn't do self I plus one. Type object host identifier. Nope. Shouldn't be that. No attribute file. Oh, this one? Wait, what? Oh, there you go. Children. File. Oh, that kind of works. Oh, that's nice. I need to make sure that. Okay. The args. Let's do this. Well, and the name, of course, is gonna be the first thing. That's tk dot content. Yes, that's it works now. Kind of. So great. Wait, but how does this? Okay, so the children. Yes. Yes. Okay. So now that I've done that, yeah, great. It works now. So what it basically does is it basically is able to parse these two lines now. And then okay, should probably test out. Say, let's do that. Content. Oh no. Args.content. Args.append. Wait, what? Arg1. Okay, well, let me see. Identifier. Okay, this is a type, and then content is hello. Okay, that works. But I should probably append the content. Yeah, there you go. Arg1.content. Pretty inefficient. If I do this, this should give an error. Yeah. Let me make sure it looks better. Um, um, it can be a token type or a token. If type of got is equal to token type, then got string is equal to got dot name, I guess. Yep. Content. Well, name. Lf type of got is equal to token. String is equal to got dot type dot name. Else. Well, never mind. I guess elif got is not equal to none. not string is equal to God. Okay. How about that? Not comma. Yeah. Right. If I do this. Hey. If I do this. Right, that's nice. Got comma. Wait, what? Why? Line 13, character 19. Why would this be an error? Well, that's weird. Like, it's what? It expected. It expected a right parenthesis or an identifier. But it got a comma. Oh, but of course it's gonna get a comma. Okay. Well, this should be reversed. So, these two lines. Non-type has no attribute type. Okay. Oh, whoops. There you go. This is not correct. Why is it? Why? Okay. If I do this. Great. Well, then this has to be. Well, this cannot be a comma, so. Well, this can't be a right parenthesis, so. Something like this. Right. Expected identifier but got right parenthesis. Okay. Same error. Okay. If I do a number. Oh. Why does it work like that? That does not make any sense. Why does it say that it works? It's not an identifier. Wait, what? Wait, this is... Okay, then whatever. It can be A to Z, A to Z, or A to Z, and then underscore. Got an integer, there you go. Alright. I guess that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I mean, like, I probably really should edit this, but like, I'm too lazy. Alright, bye.